Well, welcome back, guys. A lot of drama is going on your favorite series, and these are updates and recap I think you should know that are happening in upcoming week on your favorite series. Don't forget to subscribe and also give the like button, and also please do let me know recommendation or videos or topics you want me to cover upcoming twist or any inquiry or any update you want to know about, just drop it in the comment section as a question and I will do a video on it. So let us jump to the video of today.
The episode starts with Janak telling the judge that she discovered the truth about Shrishti because of Brij Bhushan. She explains that Shrishti betrayed Brij Bhushan and reveals that he died due to Shrishti and Kul Bhushan. She informs the judge about Anirudh and Arshi, adding that she returned to the Bose house because of Choto. She mentions that she took care of Arshi during her pregnancy. On the day Arshi went into labor, she was alone in the hospital because the Bose family was occupied with Choto's post-wedding celebrations. Janak recalls how the nurse didn't inform her about Arshi's delivery. She explains to the judge why she suspected Omkar's baby to be Arshi's. She questions why she would ever involve herself in child trafficking when she has the potential to become a star. She urges the judge to make a decision now, as she has shared everything she needed to. The judge asks if anyone opposes Janak's statement. Arshi steps forward, saying she does. Mimi expresses her wish to speak, but Shubh tries to stop her. Mrinalini intervenes, saying that Mimi should be allowed to support the truth. Mimi takes the witness stand and admits that her family, including herself, mistreated Janak. Mr. Roy argues that Mimi's words have no relevance to the case, but the judge allows her to continue. Mimi states that Janak never tried to break any family. Shrishti questions Arshi about what Mimi is saying. Mimi explains that Janak left the Bose house multiple times but was always forced to return. She realized that her family was mentally harassing Janak, which is why she decided to support her. She adds that the complaint filed against Janak was baseless and insists that Janak is not involved in child trafficking. The judge instructs Mimi to take her seat. Janak's lawyer calls Arshi to the witness stand and asks if she blames Janak for her baby's death. Arshi claims that Janak deliberately didn't inform the family. The lawyer then asks if she believes her family could have saved the baby. Arshi says she thinks so. The doctor is then called to testify and states that Janak was not responsible for the baby's death. She explains that an unforeseen incident occurred in the nursery. The judge inquires about Omkar, and Mr. Roy responds that Omkar doesn't want to be involved in the case. Frustrated, the judge asks if anyone else has something to say. Anirudh steps forward, saying he does. He takes the stand and declares that Janak never harmed anyone, yet she suffered immensely. He emphasizes that Janak is a talented dancer with a bright future. Shrishti questions why Janak's personal life is even being discussed in court. The judge silences her. Anirudh insists that Janak is not responsible for his baby's death and pleads with the judge not to let his family ruin her life. He states that Janak was unjustly imprisoned and deserves to live with dignity. He urges the judge to release her. Police officer Sanjay informs the court that Janak is innocent. The judge rules that there is no solid evidence against her and dismisses the case, officially declaring Janak innocent. Janak and Anirudh are relieved to hear the verdict. Anirudh approaches Janak, But the inspector tells him he must wait until the legal process is complete. Anirudh assures Janak that he will be waiting for her outside, ready to begin their new life together. Arshi is stunned by his words. Janak, however, looks at Arshi and silently decides not to come between Anirudh and his family. She resolves never to meet him again. She thanks Mimi, who replies that she simply spoke the truth. The police escort Janak away. Later, when Janak steps outside, Bipasha embraces her happily and introduces her brother, Chirag. Janak tells her she plans to leave the city but will stay at Bipasha's house for a few days. Bipasha offers her a sweet, and Janak, realizing she hasn't eaten properly in a while, accepts it. Bipasha urges her to eat everything and smirks, watching her closely.